Basically, InterTech are a design and project management company, and we currently specialise in the motorcycle industry. I'm designing showrooms for mainstream manufacturers such as Harley-Davidson motorcycles, Honda, Triumph motorcycles.
A lot of clients come to InterTech and they think that they're going to have to deal with multiple companies to get one end result, a corporate interior. And what we prove to the client is that one point of call can do everything from developing a new look to implementing that new look to marketing that new look, okay? And one point of call is often better than trying to go to multiple suppliers.
One of the good reasons for actually being based in Hull is we fabricate and build certain elements, like the joinery components, the counters and the furniture are all built in this factory. But steelwork, signage, graphics are all done locally. Hull has basically a fantastic infrastructure of lots of very small companies which are all specialise in certain areas, and for us that's brilliant because we can pull one company in that will be responsible for, say, digital graphics, digital print.
Working within a particular building infrastructure is sometimes quite hard, especially when you've got a range of products which are not off the shelf, they're bespoke designed, but there's only a particular range of those products which have to fit into the building infrastructure, which is a bit of a limitation, but we work around it because we've got a manufacturing unit here which can sort of modify any of our current work in-house. Then, you know, like a bespoke solution can always be accomplished, which eliminates a lot of problems really. But as far as any problems go, probably just manpower, actually having the actual facility to deal with sort of 21 countries really.
There's three of us running the front end as such. There's Andy and Alex who do the UK, but Alex is obviously more involved in the Honda now. There's Rich who runs all of Europe, and I run all of the States and any other country which is not in Europe, so which also includes Japan, Australia, Mexico, South Africa. What we'll do is that Triumph will ship me over to the States, and I'll meet with the dealer and discuss what he actually wants us to do. And what we do differently in the States to the UK is that we actually design the store there and then with the dealer. We'll give him 4 or 5 different options, and he will get his staff involved and they'll comment on what I've done, and the chances are that we'll actually land the job actually there on site, there and then.
The job on site will get surveyed, okay, so we'll measure up the area. Then we'll bring those measurements back to the drawing board and we'll CAD up the survey notes. From there, I'll sometimes do like a 3D design of how the actual interior is going to look, you know, prior to any sort of installation. We then do a 2D design showing dimensionally to scale where the lighting is going to go, how the flooring is going to look, and all the elements behind the interior design. We submit that to the client with the 3D, okay, to give them a really good insight onto how their showroom is conceptually going to look, basically, prior to us signing the job up, if you like.
We do a full turnkey solution where we actually manufacture the furniture, design the store, and we'll actually fit and install and do the building works. The future for us now is to look at the automotive industry in general and look at the car industry and see how we can implement our skills within a car showroom environment and what we can do there.
Design is just a constant evolution really of getting the actual product perfect for the client, and we fully understand that our first design for any client is very seldom the final design really, and it's part and parcel of integrating what we're doing with the client, evolving the design and coming up with the correct solution really.